Thousands of people live on the streets of Southern California, and experts believe determining why someone ends up homeless could be the key to solving the growing problem. A new study finds the reasons for homelessness vary, including trauma, addiction, and lack of access to mental health services. But one factor stands out.
As Californians age, they are simply being priced out of housing and have nowhere to go. Howard John Fanolio takes a look at the results of the eye-opening study. John?
Sure, Micah, good evening to you. This study was carried out by UC San Francisco, and it's the largest representative study on homelessness in nearly 30 years. And the findings are challenging many assumptions many of us have.
The main drivers of homelessness were deep poverty.
It's a growing crisis and one that's impossible to ignore. Income inequality and California's high cost of housing.
The problem of homelessness is really that they didn't have housing.
Dr. Margot Kuchel led the new study from the University of California, San Francisco Benioff Homelessness and Housing Initiative. Her team's research was conducted from October 2021 until November 2022 and included nearly 3,200 people experiencing homelessness across the state, with in-depth interviews with 365 of those surveyed.
What they told us was, once I get housed, then I can go back to work. But one person said being homeless is a full-time job.
Researchers found that more than 171,000 people experience homelessness daily across California, and that the state is home to 30% of the nation's homeless population and half the nation's unsheltered population, despite making up only 12% of the U.S. population. The research challenges some commonly held beliefs about how we got here, such as the idea that homeless people in California are from other states.
90% lost their housing in California. They had been here for a long time.
Most survey respondents said low wages and the high cost of housing was the main driver behind becoming homeless.
The thing that really popped out was just they simply couldn't pay the rent.
For example, in the 6 months before becoming homeless, many said they received a median monthly income of $960 for the entire household, while the median rent in California is $2,895, according to data from Zillow Rental Manager.
We are in a beautiful state, but we're also in a state that has only 24 units of housing for every 100 extremely low-income households.
The report also found that the median age of people experiencing homelessness is 47, and that a disproportionate amount are Black, Native American, or Latino. Researchers found that about a third of respondents said they were struggling with access to mental health care and substance abuse, but that neither was the predominant cause of homelessness, although lack of health resources often exacerbated it. All right, bottom line, the housing has to come first. According to these researchers, that includes increasing affordable housing, especially for low-income households, extending targeted homeless prevention efforts, as well as increasing outreach services to people on the verge of becoming homeless and those trying to get back into the housing and working market. We're live in Hollywood. I'm John Fanolio, KTLA 5 News.
John, thank you.